Salute all country people where they watch me on DDRPage live. So last time I be there when I say I be the king of Red Dragons for the BLM, and at the time was Igwe, king of Black Leg, for the forum we create them for we for try for see how we will make that picking them come out for that mago way there for bush. I see appreciate the government for the amnesty. I see appreciate it because the thing we don't do will maybe deserve the amnesty, but the government it take the good step for say me give with the amnesty, we begin from there. For any man we not appreciate them, you know nothing where they do. So for the thing they will don't do, will maybe deserve the amnesty. The government get that good mind for grant with the amnesty. We begin for begin things and from there. That my brother video we play him. Yes, I be okay with it. I don't pass Odwala. I see that they suffer for day for Sanchu where some of my BLM people they did and chang. They suffer very well. People they don't leave their hectares of cocoa farm. Go be there. One big case you get met Chana Timote we be there for Menji. They Sisi, I don't know how many hectares. All those things that we know so we don't wrong una. Amba don't wrong people very well. Starting from Wabani. When they see how I they burn down the whole village. Now government they burn them. No. Now we don't do all those things. So when they give we the chance for say we try for see how we do this thing. Maybe say we beg people because we don't know place where they dey. Now say we no want say may they continue they die. May they try for reason. But they need a year. Now just last week I still go for Mount Bin village. The village service go kidnap people then take money. In fact, would they go for fun or they come for back? Would they go for fun or they come for back? What population they suffer? Yes, the Amber boys they owe the government, they owe the population. Yes, they don't do worse. They don't do worse. Although Nama picking them, they don't pass me for bush. Yes, because most of them where they come be na criminal them, they don't pass we no way. They don't pass we. Imagine if you see picking that they broke enter even inside father house, like the parish of Lewo, Mission Lewo. Yes, picking the broke enter father house, carry things them. So I don't just the same mood try for put this thing for prayers. We not go for go stop war. We begin the council, they be kill my auntie, they be carry my bike, they be take my farm, they be do so like this thing no go end. It will not go ever end. They not go end. I know thing where those guys they don't do. I know very well. I know very well. I don't work amber places from the BLM to Batibo. I know thing where they don't do. Yes. I know thing where they don't do. My brother, just tie in a hat. I know so una de Douala, una de Sofa, una de Kumba, una de Sofa, una de Limbe, una de Sofa, una de Chang, una de Bafoussam, una de Yaoundé. But the government it get something for everybody. Maybe say now we Amber boys who don't key, who can be here, amnesty to protect we the China for see our case. No. They will get the government get to begin somewhere. It get for make sure say it move all we for bush. Before if he build something, because you know if the be where man with the common bush can destroy, it will be counterproductive. So the government is struggling away, they destroy them, they fit come up bush. He get the means for move them for bush. Now just say we want to make this thing it go for some amicable way. But these guys because of the ransom, some of them of course man Oliver Lekeka away the kidnap people then take right up to more than 20 million. If you work for public service, if they end that kind of money, so some of them don't be interested nana for that kind of big money the way they get them. That money no will help you. No matter how much we get them, the most important thing for this world is your life. na your life, some of them they for bush and na picking them. And they see try for say, may not be for some extent, una ever blame me. Ma begin to sing. Any man will hear this song, may try for pass them for them, may they try for year. May not believe say that small place the way they run go hide they say we no am. But we don't say me all man come out by we try for solve this thing. Some man go this on side, they say, no, they be bury my sister alive. They don't bury people them. I don't stand so see them. They don't chain people, then go kill them. We don't see them. We know if you go for go stop war, we begin to count the gravity of the crime them. The gravity will be not the one way. Now still why that way till today, some of them see they for bush fear. Say that amnesty in a lie. Because thing we they don't do. Thing we don't do. So, at the back, any Cameroonian of good will may try for see how if we talk for some of these speaking them, more try for build this nation, more try for build the nation. We will scatter them how now we will come build them. We will not push them reach for some extent way we will over put money there again, because you see all this time they say this contract they need if you come. You will come be school where person will come off for backside, you come buy 1 liter petrol for come burn 30 million where they don't put them. So my brother them, I will keep on the back owner. I'm not the threatening man. Before you want be late for una will know say me I be don't sing, then maybe una be like for come up bush. We don't do our worst. I they see try for apologize on their behalf. I they apologize today on the behalf of the Amber Boys. Yes, because I don't get the amnesty. What fit there for platform so for try for talk for them. I they apologize on their behalf. Me no man no fear for come out bush. Now me this way. Me no man no fear for come out bush say they will do anything. Una come, we should don't benefit from anything where they will offer them for we. Maybe me one benefit. Because at this, when they live some miserable condition for bush. No matter how we wanna go carry people, they attend them for go live for bush. It's not easy. It's not easy. I know una condition them for bush. So una live that in, una come una own for town, una can live like human being. Yes. Una not live in fear. No man no one do una anything. Those people the way they tell una say the one do una this, the one kill una, the one just deceive una, una die when una no know it, una die when una no know the reality. Yes, so that they will feed now for raise money for that white man country. Because if you not talk, say he get 4 fighters, he get 10 on the ground, they no will give anything. I don't work with those things. I know how they pass. Yes, we go get person for ground, we go make audio, say no, he get so and so, make video, send them. They take and they make their money. At the back, una my brothers. Yes, and at the back, all any man where he run from this amber terrorism, he go stay any place. Who know una pains. Who know. Would they try now for move the picking them for bush? Maybe say no. Say they don't hurt una. Who know that one very well. You know, say people they don't lost more than where they will ever gain. But at the end of the day, matter una say na peace. Now for put down gun, make peace, you will move free for this thing. More not talk say the one we do so, more not count mistakes them. Like the war, it will prolong. Yes, at the time when plenty, at the seed day here, for talk say all that my brother the way they see there for bush. I don't beg say me they forgive una just come simply out. Yes, they know what do una anything. I don't carry una across. I talk say yes, will be key. I be key. Yes, una come. Not talk say we key that 4 people them so where reason maybe they will do you something. No, they know will do you anything. You know will do you anything. Instead at the end of the day now you go lost. You there for bush. Some kind sick attack you will die for day, and your name will go nowhere. Yes, you know will die like hero. All that thing will run the do so now for bush. Now can't face the real life. For ye, at the time gonna plenty.